The funeral of the American singer Whitney Houston has taken place in her childhood church in Newark, New Jersey. The service, which lasted almost 4 hours, included musical tributes from Stevie Wonder and Alicia Keys. The 48-year-old was found dead in a hotel in Los Angeles last week.
Whitney, today is your day. We celebrate.
At the small Baptist church in Newark, New Jersey, family and friends of Whitney Houston came together. The choir girl turned global pop icon had come home.
Who can ever forget how she looked when she mesmerized everyone in that stunning headdress with "I Have Nothing"? How she dazzled in her close-ups during "Run to You." How she reinvented "I'm Every Woman," and how she captured the world forever.
The Whitney I knew, despite her success and worldwide fame, still wondered, am I good enough? Am I pretty enough? Will they like me? It was the burden that made her great and the part that caused her to stumble in the end. Whitney, if you could hear me now, I would tell you, you weren't just good enough. You were great.
It was in this church where Whitney Houston first performed as a child. Today she was remembered in song.
Whitney's voice, a voice to my choir of heaven from love.
A host of music and entertainment stars were there to say goodbye. Among them Oprah Winfrey, Mariah Carey, Alicia Keys and R. Kelly. Aretha Franklin had been expected at the service but fell ill. Whitney's ex-husband Bobby Brown appeared briefly. Whitney Houston will now be buried next to her father in nearby Westfield, bringing to an end the life of one of music's all-time greatest stars. Sinead Hussey, RTÉ News.